Hey CMC students, my name is Amy Montajano and I will be doing my public service announcement presentation on Apple Pay. So a couple of fun facts about the company Apple. The company Apple was founded by three founders, Steve Jobs, Ronald Wayne, and Steve Wozniak on April 1st, 1976 in Cupertino, California. Another fun fact, Amr Ali Khan is co-inventor of Apple Pay. He graduated from an Institute of Engineering Science and Technology in 2002, where he was known as the programmer. This feature was released on October of 2014. It was released on the iPhone 6, 6S, and 6 Plus, which was on the iOS 11 update. So, in order to set up Apple Pay, you must have an iPhone. Once you get an iPhone, you go on your settings icon, you click on it, and your page should look like this. Then you're going to scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay. You're going to click on that. And then your screen should look like this in the middle. After accepting the terms and conditions. And if you want to add a card, you're going to go ahead and add your credit card or your debit card. Or you could just leave the Apple Pay Cash as it is. Your choice. And once you're ready to pay, your screen will look like this on the far right hand side. So how to use Apple Pay. So once you're ready to pay, your screen is going to look like this. And depending whether if you have an iPhone 8 and down, you're going to use the Apple ID Touch to confirm your payment. And if you have an iPhone X, which doesn't have the Apple ID Touch, you're going to use your face recognition. This could also be used on the Apple Watch. You're going to do the same exact thing as you would on an iPhone X. You're going to put your phone or your Apple Watch to the screen monitor where you pay with the credit card. Another cool thing about Apple Pay is that you can send and request money. So for example, if I owe my friend $15, I'm going to go to my iMessages if they have their Apple Pay set up. I'm going to go to our iPhone messages and I'm going to click on the Apple Pay icon. And depending whether if I want to pay or request money from them, I will click whether I want to do a payment or request a payment from them. So once I have received money from my friend, it is going to give me an option on the settings whether if I want to transfer to my bank or just leave it as is on my Apple Pay Cash. So if I want to transfer it to a bank, it's going to charge me a minimum of 15 cents or a maximum of $15. It just depends the amount that you're going to transfer. And you could also do it for free, but it will only take 1 to 3 business days. Apple Pay is only for iPhone users only. You cannot do it with an Android user. Thank you.